Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur your background within your projects on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in express.adobe.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Adobe Express website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and then you can start working on any of your projects. Once you are inside your project menu, if you wish to blur the background that you will be adding within your project, first of all, add your preferred background from the various different images and options at the left side. After you have chosen your desired background, you can resize it to fill your entire project area. And once it is done, make sure you click on it and then within the left side, scroll underneath and then click on Adjustments. Within the Adjustments section, scroll all the way down and you will see the blur option. Just increase this to set up the amount of blur that you wish. And after you have achieved your desired level of blurring, you can start making your other edits on top of this background. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to blur your background on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video. Hello everyone and welcome back to another